Hello everyone! Today we are going to have a new sound. Let's learn our new sound together. It's very simple and easy. Yeah, it's x, x, x. Let's look here at this picture and try to find out some words that has the x sound. Great! X-ray. X-ray. Very good. We have a box. We have a box. What else do you see here? Can we find something else? Great. We have a fox. Here in the box, we have a fox. Let's pretend the action together. Okay, I want to pretend as if you are holding a camera and taking some photos by making x, x, x. Let's learn how can we write it together.
Yay! Please click and subscribe. Hi kids, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter X. X as in Xenops. We'll start with uppercase or big X. To write uppercase X, we'll start at the top and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll go back to the top and do a diagonal line the other way. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll go back up and do a diagonal line the other way. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now let's move on to lowercase or little x. To write lowercase x, we'll start in the middle and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll go back up and do a diagonal line the other way. Good work! Let's do that again. We'll start in the middle and do a diagonal line down. Then go up and do a diagonal line the other way. Good job! Now you try. Good work! Now you know how to write the letter X. We'll see you on our next video when we learn how to write the letter Y.
Now let's listen to the song together.
X.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
X.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Let's learn some words on x sound. X, x, X-ray, x, x, X-ray. Fox, fox, f, ox, fox. Box, box, b, ox. Six, six, s, x, six. I'm so happy to be with you today, my super honey. I hope now it's easy for you to write x sound and to read some words that has the sound itself. See you soon. Goodbye.